Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10th CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.39 sum. Let's see the question. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 49. So they have given sum of first 7 terms. First 7 terms of an AP is 49. That means sum means S. So S7 equal to 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. So sum of 17 terms is given to be 289. They have asked us to find sum of n terms. First n terms means Sn formula. So sum of first n terms they have asked us to find. So it is Sn we need to find. Now we just know S7 equal to 49 and S17 equal to 289. If you don't know anything and we just know something related to a formula, just apply the formula and start with the sum. We know Sn formula to be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If we don't know anything, we need to use this formula, not the another one, n by 2 into a plus l. No, not that formula. We need to use this formula. We know S7, so S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1. N here is 7. So 7 minus 1 will be 6d. We know S7 to be 49. So 49 is equal to, bring this 7 by 2 to this side, it comes as a reciprocal. The numerator will come to the denominator and the denominator will come to the numerator, and we can solve this. 7 7s are 49. Now this becomes 7 2s are 14. So 2a plus 6d equal to 14. The same pattern we can do with the S17. So n by 2, we know the formula here. So I am directly substituted. S17 equal to n by 2 is 17 by 2 into 2a plus, here 17 minus 1 will become 16d. The same way it is 289 into, bring this number to this side. The multiplied number will come to as a divide. The divide will go as a multiply, as it will go as a reciprocal, is equal to 2a plus 16d. 17s are 289, so this becomes 17. Here you can multiply, this becomes 34 equal to 2a plus 16d. Now I am taking this equation to be 1, this equation to be 2, because we don't know a and d. We need to solve a and d. If we need to solve a and d and there are two equations, we will go with elimination or a substitution method. It's better go with elimination method, because here is also 2a, here is also 2a. You can easily solve if we go with elimination. So solving 1 and 2. To solve with 1 and 2, 2a plus 6d equal to 14. Similarly 2a plus 16d equal to 34. I am going to subtract it, only then we can cancel. Subtracting is not just changing the sign. Changing the sign of one term. Now this becomes minus 10d, because plus minus we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Here is also it becomes minus 20. Minus minus get cancelled. D equal to 20 by 10. D is equal to 2. So we have found D to be 2. Let us substitute in any equation. Always take the smaller one. So I am going to substitute D in 1. If I substitute D in 1, instead of D, just substitute the value 2. 2a plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14. 2a equal to 14. Here 12 will go to the side. 6 2s are 12. I am taking 12 to the other side. It becomes minus 12. So a is equal to 2 by 2. A is equal to 1. Now we have found a and d. They have asked us to find Sn. So I am writing it here. They have asked us to find Sn, right? So Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we know a and d, we don't know n. So let the n be n itself. N by 2 2a is 2 into 1 will become 2 plus n minus 1 we don't know. We have instead of d 2. Just multiply the d inside. Here it becomes n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. Here plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. Now n by 2 into 2n. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Your Sn will become n square. Always remember, when they asked anything with Sn, you will find an answer n inside the value. So don't get afraid that we are getting n, because of they have asked for n terms, sum of the n terms. So you will find n inside, you will get the answer in the case of n. So don't be afraid when seeing n square. This is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.